Let's take a look at what chapter 13 in our math book will teach us. The title says, Measure and Compare Objects. Have you ever used a bucket to catch rainwater? Which bucket can hold the most rainwater? So if you look in the picture, you can see there are pails there. Pails is another name that means a bucket. It looks to me like these buckets are made out of metal. Can you tell which ones hold more and which hold less? Yeah, the bigger buckets will hold more. The smaller ones will hold less. You know, God has a bucket. He collects water in puddles and in ponds. Which would hold more? Ponds, of course. A puddle would hold less rainwater. All right, flip your paper over. Here's our new vocabulary. And now this vocabulary is not new. We have been using these words of comparison since the beginning of the school year. Fewer and more. So take a look at the picture. Can you tell it will be a rainy day? How many umbrellas do you see? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 umbrellas. Now I want you to take a crayon and make fewer clouds above the umbrellas. Fewer. What does fewer mean? Less. Okay, so did you make 1 cloud? If you did, your answer is correct. What about 2? Could you make 2 clouds? Is 2 fewer than 4? Yes, so if you made 1 or if you made 2, your answer is correct. What about 3? Could you make 3 clouds? Is 3 fewer than 4? Yes, if you drew 3 clouds, you are correct. Okay, what about 4? Could we make 4 clouds? No, because if you make 4 clouds, it will be equal, the same as the 4 umbrellas. And our directions said, make fewer clouds above the umbrellas. So you could have made 1, 2, or 3. Now look at the puddles on the ground. How many puddles do you see? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 puddles. Now it says there are more raindrops than puddles. More. You know this word well. It means a lot. So start making those raindrops. If you make only 1 raindrop, is that more? Nope. How about 2? Nope. 3? 4? 5? Should we stop at 6 raindrops? No, because then it would be equal to the puddles. We want more. So you can make 7, 8, 9. You can keep going. You can even make 100 raindrops. All right. Now, you have some homework to do. Here's an addition sheet, and you will need something to use as counters. I have my pennies here. You might have some cereal or pieces of paper, whatever you want to use for your counters. Now, when you are adding, you are making numbers bigger. After you write your name and number, then you need to get the right number of counters that match each of the numbers. What's this first number? 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many more? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that equal? Count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies. Okay, now you do the rest of these addition problems on your own. Use your counters. Okay, now we have a story to read together. Our story is called Let's Find Out. Let's add to 10 again and again. Do you hear a rhyme? 10 again. Yes, it rhymes. This is written by Amanda Miller and Joan Michael. 10 kids wear a puffy crown. 0 kids wear a frown. Crown, frown, yes, they rhyme. Let's count the kids together and then find out what numbers add to, you're right, 10. Then 10, yes, they rhyme. Read the addition sentence. 10 plus 0 equals 10. All right. Oh, this page is making me hungry. What do you see? Yeah, it's pasta. Look at those children. 9 kids jump in a tasty treat. 1 kid takes a bite to eat. We add the kids together and then 9 plus 1 equals 10. Read it. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Ah, what do you see in the picture? Yeah, those are socks. How many socks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kids hang on a line to dry. 2 kids stand in shoes that, yes, tie. Dry, tie, yes, they rhyme. We add the kids together and then 8 plus 2 equals 10. Read it. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Boy, Mrs. Daniel would be happy. Those shoes are her favorite color. Did you notice? All right. Oh, look. It's a puppy. 7 kids give the dog a snack. Wow, that's pretty big for a snack. 3 kids sit on a duckling's back. We add the kids together and then, read it with me, you know these words. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Read it. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Oh, I like this page. Look at that crayon. 6 kids carry a crayon that's what color? Blue. 4 kids hold a bottle of glue. Blue, glue, yes, they rhyme. Help me read. We add the kids together and then 6 plus 4 equals 10. You read it. Good. All right. Ah. 5 kids balance a ball in the air. 5 kids sit on a comfy, name it. Good. Air chair. Yes, they rhyme. Are you reading with me? We add the kids together and then 5 plus 5 equals 10. Read it. Good job. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum. 4 kids like their pizza with cheese. 6 kids want pepperoni. What's that word? Yes, please. Cheese, please. Help me read. We add the kids together and then 4 plus 6 equals 10. Read it. Okay. Beautiful flower. 3 kids bounce upon a flower. 7 stay dry in a springtime flower shower. Hear the rhyme? Help me read. We add the kids together and then 3 plus 7 equals 10. You read it. Two kids play on wooden blocks. Can you imagine if we had blocks that big in our kindergarten? Think about what we could build. 8 kids climb on stacks of blocks, rocks. We add the kids together and then 2 plus 8 equals 10. Read it. Okay. One kid pulls with all her might. 9 kids ride and hold on might tight. We add the kids together and then 1 plus 9 equals 10. Read it. All right. 0 kids fly on a red airplane. 10 kids ride on a wooden airplane train. Let's count the kids, and once again we add them up and we have 10. Read it. 0 plus 10 equals 10. So our story was all about building 10. How many ways can we add to 10? Let's take a look. Then look again. Look at all these math problems. This is what we did with our 10 bars. You remember we took our red and yellow 10 bars and we built 10 in different ways. Now, if you look at your homework page, did any of your answers equal 10? No, they didn't. So you flip your paper over and see how many different ways you can build 10. Write them right here on the back. Have fun. Remember, your homework goes inside your red homework folder when you're finished. Name and number needs to be on it too. Print it neatly. Make it as beautiful as God made you. Bye, guys.